Quizizz is another online source that is great for teachers. It could be utilized a lot during distance learning if that's something that we are doing again in the fall. I would say that Quizizz is very similar to Kahoot. The one major difference is that students can log into Quizizz at home and they don't have to do it at a set time. So you could assign it on Monday and have it due on Friday, and they could log in anytime throughout the week instead of having to log in at an exact day and time. When using Quizizz, you can easily go in and find what you're looking for. So let's say maybe this week I'm teaching my students about fractions and I want to assign them a quiz about fractions. So I would click all about fractions. I'm going to click practice. Here you have the option to push play live. This would be very similar to Kahoot, where you're all playing it at the same time. I think the option that most people would choose to use is assign homework, which is what I said. You can assign it and students can do it throughout time. I'm going to say that mine needs to be completed by June 18th at 2:30. And I can click assign a class, select. If you do not have classes connected, which I obviously do not right now, you can click Go to Classes and Google Classroom will automatically connect your classrooms to this. Then you would push Continue. Here's where your students' names would be listed and it would tell you how they did on each question, how many times they tried each question, and their accuracy. One thing I have found out is that students can take a quiz more than once, which a lot of them probably would like. I think Quizizz will be another great way for students to integrate technology into their classroom and to even use if we have to continue distance learning come the fall.